First drive.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
This thing is so outrageously loud. Like, the whole car is obnoxious. The color, the sound, everything. So, although the car is not completely finished, I've decided I threw the taillights and stuff back into it just so I can take it out of drive, because the Lexus project is actually coming to a very sad end, and the plan is to paint the wheels, put them on, lower it, and probably just by cutting the springs. I know I'll probably get a whole lot of hate for that. I basically just threw it back together quickly so I could actually get driving it. I know I still have to do quite a lot. I still have to polish it and stuff like that, but I wanted to at least drive it a little bit before it ends up sold. It is so loud. So loud. And so slow as well. Lexus IS200s are not a fast car. So yeah, anyway, the reason why it's being sold, in all honesty, is I'm under quite a lot of financial pressure with the bills, the workshop, I live in a really nice house, and just there's a lot of bills that come with this, and I'm trying to focus a lot on YouTube, so it's not financially responsible or even feasible for me to leave this much equity tied up in one vehicle. In saying that, I am going to miss it. Actually, although it's slow, it's loud and obnoxious, and I'm all about it. But we do have another car sitting abandoned, dying to get worked on, but needs must, and it is going to fund the next car. So I don't really know what we're going to get done in this video. I'm sure the title will tell you, but the plan is to just get today, drive about in it, have a bit of fun, and then tomorrow finish the car and get it cleaned, ready for sale. So that's what I'm going to do. So enjoy a day of me driving about and getting looked at quite a lot. So guys, I had an awesome time driving about in the Lexus. Got some awesome photos. I'll throw a couple of them in at the end of the video. Today's plan, I think, is just going to be do the wheels. I'm actually on my way to HHI to lift I don't even know what they are. They're like a PVC thing that we use for side skirt extensions. They're like a fiver for side skirt extensions. So I doubt that'll be this video. It'll probably be the next video. But yeah, so I'll get these, roll them up, stick them in the back seat, and then we'll head off to the garage and start prepping the wheels for paint. So guys, I'm not sure how well you'll hear me because of the wind and me being sick are not a good combination, but here are the wheels. One of them has a tire on it, the other three don't. I have 3 tires, but 2 of them I used to set the doors on when I was painting, so I don't know how I'm going to deal with the yellow paint on them. Probably just put them so the cleanest faces out, and then do a couple of burnouts or something, I don't know. So yeah, I know sports aren't the greatest wheel, but once they're painted and the car's lowered onto them, they're gonna look perfect, swear to God, trust me, I've done it before, a lot. So I'm gonna throw the tires on and fire them onto the wheel stand. In fact, I'll show you guys the wheel stand, because this is a normal trestle that I cut, added some box section, stuck these things in, made these swords, stuck them in. Cost me a grand total of £18 pre-COVID for the steel to make a trestle into this, and you will see they are great. So yeah, I'm going to fire up the compressor, get the tire machine plugged in, and start fitting the tires. So this is what we're working with. The tires are all on. I ruined this tire. I actually pierced a hole in it trying to put it on without tire soap, because I didn't want the tire soap to make the paint react, but it is what it is. That's the 4 wheels. Now this wheel over here was actually the spare that was in the car. I went in to see if there was a tire I could use for the other rim, and it was a brand new Sport, well, more or less brand new Sport, with a brand new Bridgestone Potenza tire on it, which is pretty insane. So the plan is to flatten all these off with 320 grit on the DA, then 400 Rhino Soft just in these crevices that the DA sander won't get to, and then we'll be bagging them up ready for paint. So that's them all flattened off with 320 red scotch and some 400 Rhino Soft. I'm just going to get them all blown down, degreased, and then I'll mask it up, degrease them again, and then we'll mix some paint. So the degreaser is done. They're all masked up, well, as much as I'm going to mask them up anyway. The center caps are there. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to wet on wet prime these. It's basically a primer designed, in fact I'll show you. So yeah, this is F37 wet on wet primer. It's just designed to be primed and then painted straight over the top of. No sanding, and it is phenomenal. Yeah, it's by far the best wet on wet primer I've ever used. You can use normal primer as wet on wet, but you have to mix it differently and stuff.
The base coat is finished. In and around the wheel nuts could really do with another coat, but I am sick and I'm tired. I just want to put the clear coat on these. I did get really bad silicone holes along these edges, but then they're all filled up now, and there was bad ones on this wheel as well. But yeah, it's ready for clear coat. So I'll mix up some clear and get it done. And that is the wheels painted. I think I might unmask them now. Yeah, I'm just gonna unmask them now. Okay, so ignore all the overspray on the tires. I'll work that out tomorrow. I didn't have anything to actually mask the wheels with. Ran out of plastic and paper. But yeah, they're gonna look sick. Even if you don't think they look sick right now, they're gonna look sick. You know what? I'm gonna put. Should I? This 5-minute clear does not mess about. It's 5-minute clear, a 5-minute bake, diamond clear, and it does not mess about. Like it's like dust. Well, definitely dust free, and it's been like 10 minutes, and it's freezing. So I might get a wheel off and try and put a center cap in it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Hold on. So the center cap's not in it properly because I wasn't brave enough, but like they're gonna look sick. They're gonna look sick. I think I might get some Lexus stickers, like just for the center of the center cap, and then maybe something for tight around the edge of the rim. I don't know. I always find it really hard to know where to draw the line. Like I was done with this car. I was like, paint the wheels, put them on, and now it's like paint the wheels, put them on, put side skirt extensions on, and just keep doing stuff to it. But I'll probably get stickers for the wheels because at least then they look more finished. I don't know. They aren't the best wheels and they weren't in the best condition, and I didn't fix half of the damage. It wasn't even damage. It was just like they were badly painted 2 or 3 times, and someone had sanded part of the alloy away almost, trying to get the curbing out. So I just sort of left them the way they were. But they're definitely going to look a whole lot better than the max power ones that are on it at the minute. I need to go get wheel nuts for them tomorrow because they take a different wheel nut. They take a flat seated one. So I'm going to end this video here. If you guys want to see what it looks like on the next car, you're going to have to like and subscribe and come back for the next video. In the next video, as I say, we're doing the side skirt extensions. So they're super cheap, super easy. Watch the next video, please. And yeah, thanks for dealing with me whilst I'm super sick. The hype has not been here today at all. I want to go home. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.